Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the environment. Sign into your Databricks workspace and confirm you have the correct role and cluster permissions. Next, upload data to DBFS or mount an external store like S3 or Attles. Make sure to validate file paths and formats so jobs can read them. Then create a new cluster, selecting the runtime, number of workers, and instance types. Once done, attach your notebook to that cluster to start executing cells and testing small reads. You now build and orchestrate work. Author notebooks in Python, Scala, or SQL, and modularize logic into functions so tests are simpler. Use the Spark Data Frame API for transformations, cache hot tables, and tune partitions and shuffle configurations to reduce skew. This improves runtime and cost. Once ready, create Databricks jobs with schedules, retries, and parameters, and integrate notebooks with repos or CI pipelines so deployments are reproducible. Make sure to test on a small dataset before scaling. You finish by validating outputs and persisting results to Delta format, then register tables in Unity Catalog for governance and easy access. Next, monitor job health through the job's UI, metrics dashboards, and cluster event logs to find bottlenecks. Once done, scale clusters or tweak configurations based on metrics. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to increase partitions and adjust executor memory. Then review driver and executor logs. This often reveals skewed tasks or missing dependencies that you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.